3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To transfer your Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet, start by ensuring that both apps are properly set up. Open the Sweatcoin app and confirm that your account is generating Sweatcoin by checking your balance. If you see Sweatcoin accumulating, it confirms the app is functioning as intended. Next, open the Sweat wallet app, which should automatically detect your linked Sweatcoin account and prompt you to connect. Once linked, the Sweat wallet will be ready to use. To transfer Sweatcoin, go to the Sweatcoin app and click on the balance section. You'll see the amount of Sweatcoin you've generated. Click on Sweat and the app will automatically load your Sweat wallet. When the balance appears in the wallet, the transfer is complete. To verify the transfer, check the wallet's transfer or portfolio section, where the total balance, including its value in USD or another currency, will be displayed. For instance, if you have 108 Sweatcoin, the wallet may show its equivalent in cents or dollars. This confirms that the transfer has been successful.